Always hit the apex, fellas. Always hit the apex. If there's anything I taught y'all, always hit that apex. Yo, Toad, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back with another POV. And y'all already see what we got going on today, man. Beautiful day outside. We in the M2 manual 3-pedal lifestyle. Hello. And then I look to my right of me. Big M5, nigga. What? Nigga. He pulled up next to me just now when the camera wasn't rolling. Hit a little rev on that shit. Hold on. Nah, man, that shit sound good, boy. But yeah, man, you see what's going on, man. Alright, my boys. It's a little bit later during the day. I don't really have shit going on, but right now I'm about to go get some food, you know, chill out. I had to put some clothes on because I don't know, the weather fucking dropped like crazy, boy. Had to put some clothes on. Little hoodie, little sweatpants, you know what I mean? But yeah, I thought I'd give y'all boys a little daytime cruise, man. Always make the light, brothers. Bombaclad. We didn't make this light? Oh, what happened to this brother here? Bombaclad. Yeah, man. Sun falling, night coming. I got deadly shit, man. Alright, you know what it fucking do, man. But yeah, I'll probably turn on the camera when I touch the highway, see what's going on over there and shit. Dope, dope. Always hit the apex, fellas. Always hit the apex. If there's anything I taught y'all, always hit that apex. Day out here in Queens, man. Sun out. Damn, sun bunning. I ain't gonna lie to nobody. Sun bunning. But yeah, man, what a beautiful days, man. Little sunset vibes. Little sunset vibes. Little manual GA7 vibes. Outside. Bod. Bong. You know what to do. Let me slow down over here, because I know one of these bumps here be hurting, son, like, and my car's lowered and shit, so I know, like, gotta be careful out here, brothers. hurting my soul. I think it's this one up here. This shit be hurting, nigga. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Alright, we're good, we're good. Yeah, bro, that won't be hurting, boy. Remember, boys, always hit the apex. Clutch in. Wide. Bro, I can really teach y'all boys how to take turns, boy. It's all about momentum, boys. It's all about momentum. It's all about momentum, boys. That's it. Especially when you're in a pocket rocket like this, rear wheel drive, pussy hole. Pussy hole. Alright, bro. Let me see the damage. Let me see the damage. Let me see the damage. Come on, fellas. Let's see the traffic. Fuck. Fuck. Okay. Yeah, that hurts. It hurts. But, you know. Fuck, right? You know what I mean? Fuck. Oh my god. Downshift. Oh my god, they're braking hard. Fuck. Fuck, man. Fuck me, man. Fucking scat pack, boy. Bro, we over here not cutting through traffic, but just, you know, getting through the traffic. Fucking scat pack driving all fucking shoulder, boy. Yeah, I'm crying. But yeah, man, traffic got us today, family. Traffic got us today. I don't know if I told you this in my other videos, but before I was gonna get an M2, I was gonna get me a wide body Hellcat Charger, and everybody told me no. Everybody told me no, man. I dead was gonna get a wide body Hellcat, cause what the fuck y'all was gonna do when I was pulling up to the block in a wide body Hellcat, nigga? What was y'all really gonna do? Nothing. I'm not gonna lie, I still want one. Maybe when I'm up on this YouTube shit, and I said this before too, maybe when I'm up on this YouTube shit, I'll fuck around and get me a Hellcat, nigga. Nigga, fuck y'all gonna do when I pull up to the block in a Hellcat, boy? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ indeed. Man, who knows, man? Who knows the future plans? Who knows what God got for me? See what I'm saying? Oh my God. Well, I'm getting over, brother, so I think he's getting off. I don't even know what's going on for real, but yeah, he's getting off. Yeah, that nigga ate hella traffic, so I ain't gonna lie. Yo, I don't know, y'all. It look like traffic keep getting worse and worse. Running, can't stop running. Like, what the fuck is not up there? Like, what's really going on? Whoa, that nigga's bugging back there. Watch when we touch the tongue. Oh my God. How's the traffic over here? Let's see what we cooking with. Man, this shit's still bullshit. Now it's going. Oh, whoa, whoa. What's going on with this brother? This brother geeking in the Hondeezy? Chill. Brother geeking in the Hondeezy, chill. this whole day in this fucking whatever the fuck this is. He was fiending to get behind me. Watch him, boy. Ain't nowhere to go, brother. Sorry. This nigga gonna speed up and shit. Crying. A superstar. Fuck. Boop. Look at him, boy. He was ready to take off in this shit. There's a mean pothole coming up here, boy. Oh my god. Shit, would that take you out the game? Was that one? Yeah. I think there's the next one up here too. Maybe I'm tripping. Look, he's fiending. Oh yeah, there it is. Those two right there. That's enough to take you out the game. Did it use a superstar? Whoa. Alright, my boys. I'm probably gonna end the video off here. I ain't gonna lie. Give y'all boys a little calm POV. That's about it. Nothing crazy. On some calm shit. Not every video gotta be, you feel me, wop wop. So let me stop. But yeah, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. If y'all want to see more content and shit, you know what I'm saying? You know, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep dropping the bangers for y'all. I'm gonna keep dropping the bangers for y'all. But yeah, man, I appreciate all the love and support I get from y'all. Remember, road to 1K. We soon hit 1K. The key is try to hit 1K before the year end. So facts. But yeah, boy, appreciate y'all. Chef out.